If you download a free generic residential lease agreement for your Illinois rental property, a single skipped clause can trigger a massive chain reaction of legal disputes, costing you thousands of dollars. Illinois has highly specific state laws governing how you rent your property. You need a localized contract designed explicitly for this state to prevent those disputes. In this video, we will walk through exactly what an Illinois lease requires, why specific protective clauses matter, and how to download and customize a professional Microsoft Word template to secure your rental. Laying the correct legal foundation from day one secures your rental income and protects your property. Step 1 is understanding the landscape of Illinois landlord tenant law. A national lease template simply does not cover the local rules enforced here. This chart compares generic leases against strict Illinois requirements, like the Chicago RLTO. Illinois enforces a rigid timeline for returning security deposits. State law also dictates strict habitability standards for maintenance. Finally, Illinois mandates legal notice periods before entering an occupied unit. If your lease fails to explicitly address these state rules, local courts will often view your contract as unenforceable. Now that we know the requirements, we can structure the document. Using the Noble Notary template, our first task is locking in the foundational financial agreements. You will start by defining the exact rent amount and specifying the strict due date for payment each month. Next, establish the lease term. You must select a fixed-term agreement, like a 12-month lease, or a month-to-month arrangement. You will also fill in the late fee structures and outline the exact financial penalties for any returned payments. Then you input the security deposit terms, ensuring the amounts align directly with the strict Illinois statutes we reviewed earlier. Beyond the numbers, this template provides a framework of pre-written protective clauses designed for Illinois. First, a detailed clause assigns strict maintenance and repair responsibilities. Next, the document guarantees your right of entry and includes strict restrictions preventing unauthorized subleasing. It also lays out default and eviction provisions, establishing the procedures and notices required if the tenant breaches the contract. Because professionals have already drafted these specific clauses, you bypass the legal guesswork and secure your standing in the event of a tenant dispute. The final phase is customization. Every rental property has unique operational rules, and your lease must reflect them. This section features clear checkboxes where you adjust your pet policies, stating whether animals are allowed, and setting any required pet deposit amounts. You outline specific parking arrangements, assign financial responsibility for utilities, and inventory provided furnishings and appliances. To secure your copy of the document, navigate to the Noble Notary Signing Service website and open the Illinois Legal Forms section. The form is available for a one-time payment of $14.97. There are no recurring subscriptions, and you get instant access to the fully editable Word format. This single purchase gives you a permanent business asset that you can reuse for multiple future tenants, cutting down your ongoing operational costs. By completing these steps, you now hold a clean, professional, and customizable lease agreement that aligns with Illinois state law. Click the link in the description below to instantly download the template for $14.97 and finalize your rental setup. Please note, this template is prepared by a non-attorney document preparation service and does not constitute legal advice. For specific legal questions or eviction procedures, consult a licensed Illinois attorney. When you prepare proactively with the correct, localized legal document, you build a confident, stress-free, and profitable rental business.